Hello and welcome to Mills CNC, the exclusive distributor of DN Solutions machine tools in the UK and Ireland, and a leading supplier of advanced automation systems and solutions to component manufacturers. As a visitor to our campus facility, we want you to have an enjoyable and rewarding time with us, and just as importantly, a safe one too. To make sure that this is the case, we'll be highlighting in this short video essential health and safety procedures and guidelines that we would ask you to follow during your visit. Irrespective of whether you visited us before or this is your first time at Mills, we would ask you to pay close attention to the guidelines to ensure your safety and the safety of others. When you visit Mills CNC, please make sure you park your car in a designated car park and not on the roadside or in any of the loading bays. If you're watching this video at Mills now and you haven't parked in a designated area, please inform a member of staff and move your car to one of the car parks in Unit 7, Units 2 and 3 or Unit 1. When you visit Mills CNC, you will need to sign in at reception. Here, you'll be given a visitor's badge, which we'd ask you to keep on you at all times when on site. Once you've registered, the person you are here to see will be notified and will come to pick you up from reception. You may also be given a door entry card and shown how to use it. The signing in procedure is important. It provides not only us, but also the emergency services, if they're required for any reason, with an accurate record of all visitors at the campus at any given time. For this reason, it's also important you sign out and hand your badge and card back to reception when you are ready to leave. Mills Technology Campus comprises 3 different buildings and is situated on an industrial estate. These buildings are separated by access roads and loading bay areas which are used by cars, vans, forklift trucks and HGV vehicles. So if you're moving between our buildings, please be aware of your surroundings. Wear the high-vis jacket and any other PPE given to you and always stay with your Mills escort. It really is important you don't wander off on your own. If you are here on a CNC training course and you have been issued an access card, remain only in the area advised by your trainer. This is what the fire alarm sounds like. If the fire alarm sounds, stop everything you're doing and please make your way quickly and in an orderly fashion to the nearest fire assembly point. There are 3 assembly points on the campus. They are here if you're in Unit 1, here if you're in Units 2 and 3, or here if you're in Unit 7. As you're making your way out of the building to the assembly point, please don't stop to collect any of your personal possessions and remain at the assembly point until the all clear is given. Door access cards are not required in an evacuation. Doors will unlock automatically. If during your visit you have cause to be inside our operations facility or our automation and turnkey centre, please stay within the clearly marked gangways and walkways and remain close to your Mills host. These areas are in constant use with overhead cranes in operation and forklift trucks, vans and HGV vehicles entering and exiting the buildings. Use the pedestrian doors and do not walk through any roller shutters. Keeping to designated gangways, avoiding restricted areas, and wearing PPE will ensure your safety. If you have any further questions about Mills CNC's health and safety policies and procedures, please contact our Human Resources Department on 01926 736 736. Thank you for watching our health and safety video, and we hope you enjoy your visit to Mills.